Welcome to Vicky's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are going to make aloo baingan or potato eggplant curry. For this recipe we're going to need eggplant, potato, tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, cilantro, green chili pepper, red chili pepper or Degi Mirch, Heeg powder or Asafoetida, mustard seeds, bay leaf or Tej Patta, black pepper and oil. Okay, let's turn on the stove. We're going to add oil. Okay, so it's hot now. We can add all our dry spices. I have a Tej Patta, bay leaf, I have some black pepper and mustard seeds in there. You're gonna let it crack for a minute. We're adding a Heeg powder. So next ingredient, we are adding garlic. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit so it won't burn. We're adding onions. We're adding ginger. We can add a salt. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm not gonna make it golden brown, and I think it's good what I want. So we are going to add tomatoes. Adding chili peppers. Sorry. We're adding turmeric powder. Degi Mirch or red chili powder. Okay, now we're going to add eggplants. And we're adding potatoes. Going to mix it well. Once our potatoes and eggplants are coated enough, we're gonna let it cook for a little bit. So I'm going to cover for maybe halfway and then we'll remove the cover. Let it cook for a little, not for high heat, but medium high. We'll be back. Alright, so now let's check it. No, it's not done yet. I will cook it covered. If you're using a lot of oils, you can cook it even without that, but I prefer cooking covered. So let's cook for a little more because they're still potatoes are still hard, so we're gonna wait for a little longer. Okay, we'll cover it up and then we'll be back again. All right, let's check it. Looks pretty good. Yes, and now we can add a cilantro. Okay, so we're gonna mix it well. Let's plate it. Our aloo baingan or eggplant curry is ready to eat. You can eat with chapati or rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification for my new video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care.